Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Surge update for you guys. Surge, I think the bottom is in on Surge here at 0.0395 cent, just under 4 cent. I think the bottom is in on Surge. Again, guys, I think, $1,000 in Surge is the way to go. That's 25,000 Surge. You don't have to invest any more than that, man. I think Surge is a $1 billion project. Like I said before, if you go and do your research with Lab AI, partnership with Circle, Google, Meta, it's all on their pinned tweet, man. Just go to the Surge Twitter and go for the pinned tweet. You'll see all the partners, right? You'll see how many hackathons they've done in the past. 200 plus yearly hackathons, 240k AI builders, 4,000 projects, right? So fundraising isn't one size fits all. Just started fear launch, still scaling, ignition, ready to get serious. Surge structures on-chain capital formation differently, not a single crowded funnel. So they just did a article, the next generations of ICOs powered by Surge, right? And if you go through the article, man, you'll see so much. Look at this right here. One of the potential startups that will launch through Surge, right? Look at how clean this dashboard is, right? And again, they're active on all three networks. You see how Pump Fun is only on Solana. You see how MetaDAO is only on Solana. Surge is active on all three networks. So all three networks that are used the most, right? So Solana, Base, Binance, right? BSC. Binance Smart Chain. So as you can see, Coin River, startup, right? BSC, and they have a raise goal, ignition, structured public scale for scaling teams, key features, defined raise structure, full project pages, oversubscription model, Surge scoring, instant liquidity deployment, gated reputation driven launches for high intent communities. So the projects that are going to launch through Surge, they're going to make sure they're the best, right? The only other launchpad ICO platform that is onboarding, new companies, new startups, that is doing it well in my opinion so far, is MetaDAO on Solana. That is doing it well. Surge is, in my opinion, going to go way beyond that, in my opinion, right? Not saying MetaDAO is a bad project at all. It's not. But Surge has so much more time in the market, as in like in the Web 2 space with Lab AI. They have so much more backing. There's a lot more to give here, man. A lot more to give. So as you can see, this is more of the dashboard with gated launches, fear launches, and ignition, right? So there's 3 different types of launches that you'll see for Surge, which is great. The fear launch page is going to be amazing. The gated page as well, right? And you could go through it as well, read the whole article. I'm not going to go through the whole thing here on the video, else it'll be too long. See, compliance ready infrastructure for the gated launches, right? Controlled access, reputation based, and allocations. One ignition and gated, improve predictable allocation, structured participation. I'm telling you guys, man, this is a nice article, a nice read, right? And not much people are paying attention to Surge, but I truly think this is gonna shock a lot of people, man. This is a well-built project. The bottom is potentially in right here, in my opinion, at 39 cent. The bottom is in. Again, 25k Surge is $1,000 right now. Nothing gonna break. That's not gonna break the bank, right? Even if you just put in 500 bucks at $1 billion market cap, you make 12k, right? $1,000 in at $1 billion market cap, you make 25k. I think that's truly possible for Surge, and I'm really bullish on Surge and what they're about to unveil, right? Also got word from someone I spoke to that was in since day one, that there will be utility for the Surge token itself, right? There will be a utility for it. So on top of all the revenue they're generating, I'm sure they're gonna do like buybacks to support the coin, but Also got word there'll be utility for the Surge token, and it's not just gonna be a governance token, right? So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the